Right, welcome to Bespoke Flooring Solutions Limited, London. This is another rough and uneven garage floor. This substrate is very rough, so another great day far away from London, and it's a big garage. There are lots of unevenness, so we need to get rid of any lumps and humps all over this subfloor. So the owner would like us just to smooth it out so he can store some of his material and bike and whatever he has. So we're trying to get rid of any big massive lumps and then thoroughly sweep it. So that's the first thing we do. And then we're using primer diluted with water, 3:1 or 3:4, depends how thirsty the substrate is. So do the priming all over the substrate. So the primer is down now, and you just let it dry. If you've got a fan, let it blow all over the floor so it's drying. And once it's dry, so we just use rapid set mortar to just smooth out some of the really rough area, so we can later do the leveling compound all over it. So all the cracks are filled in, and now we've put 3 full buckets of latex self-leveling compound all over the rough area. And once that's smoothed out, then we're going to go all over it again. This is a big trowel I'm using. You can use a mini trowel if you're struggling to use big trowel. So as you can see, 1 bag of latex leveling compound doesn't go that far. So we're literally building up about 20 to 30 mils in 1 single square meter of area. Right, all the build up is done now, so it's time to put our spiked shoes on because we're reaching the doorway, and so we have to work our way backwards. This is a great shoe, so you put it on and you can walk on your wet latex. So now we're doing the doorway and we're nearly done. Last bag to use. This spiked shoes doesn't do any damage, so you can walk all over your wet area and do your last repair rather than let it dry and come back another day. Beautiful. The project is done. Client is happy. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.